everybody, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we're playing Food Truck Chef again. It's been a long time since I played it. I started doing the series, but I'm actually going to start playing this game on Food Thursdays. Even though I am even though I am restarting, maybe not, I'm gonna have a go. Oh, here we go, hold on. Right, I claimed, so we did 2 days, last time. Now we're going to do it again. My God, is my back killing me? What the hell? No, my phone's casting or something. Oh yes, because I'm doing a video. Hold on, 6%, who's going to care? Be alright. God, you seem pretty creepy.
Yes, sir.
Sorry about that, guys. It's very thingy up here, very loud up here, it seems. Absolutely love this game as well, just by looking at it. There we go. Awesome. At least I know what to do on this game now, because I've played